Just got a minute to get set up on this fun, I think, ETF approval today. I don't know. I'm sure. I'm sure somebody will tell me. Let me share my screen before I forget this time. All right, let's get the word out. All right, Twitter. What do we got here? Twitter, come check us out. Cool. All right, let's see here. Announcements. Publish. Publish. I'll try to mute every time I'm gonna cough, which is gonna probably be a lot, but I think everything's shared, so I'm just gonna get started here. Let's see. Cool. All right, so just send a couple of people notes, and we can get started. I need to fix my form. So new state, show. Yeah, okay. And then down here, let's see. So this will be toggle the registration. Toggle. So smart. These IDs are getting so smart. All right. Because it's not in use. Cool. All right. Registration blockchain name. All right. Register blockchain name. And then this will be our conditionally render the form. This will be, we have it down here. Okay. So fetched data. What's up? It's so weird how the chat doesn't like people chat. It doesn't show me kind of what. All right. So, okay. So this is gonna wrap all of this. Type. Must have got rid of that. Okay, we're gonna show. Just make some notes for myself. I hate formatting this stuff. I should have probably just done a component here. This is going to be render registration form. Okay, so this is load inputs. So then this will be where I wrap it. Yeah. Update information. Oh boy. So that's going to go here. And then I need a new button. That's our new on click. W4. Did I use 700 here? I think so. And then I'll border. Okay, doke. And then it should be. Is it happy? Nothing's happy. It's the closing. Closing this div right here. Yeah. Did I mess up? I'm gonna just put this in its own window so I can isolate it. I need a better mic. What's wrong with it? Is it too quiet? I think my mic might be turned down. It automatically defaults to like a quiet setting for some reason when I join. Okay, thank you. Cool. Show. All right. Sometimes isolating it makes it a little easier. A form, is it? Form. Oh, it looks correct. H2, H2. Better. All right. Button slash button. It's making some bad noise, not so clear. Let me see what mic it's using. Usually the mic sounds good, so it keeps turning it down on me and like making some kind of weird change. How do I? It's in my headset. It's something's like auto tuning it for some reason today. I don't. Every time I change it, it seems to change back. I'm gonna leave it open for a minute and see. Yeah, like it's like coming down. It's weird. Yeah, I don't know. I don't get why it's just auto changing on me. It's kind of annoying, actually. Selected. Oh, something. Selected domains. Gotta find I don't need any more button. Oh, that's why. And there should be an ending div here. Div select div. Yeah, it's close. Why is it still not happy? Form? My chat overlay would be better. I guess it could be my. See if it's still doing this. Still turning my volume down. Very strange. Something in here is default. Maybe echo cancellation or noise suppression. One of those, probably it. I don't know. When in doubt, just ask for help. Well, what's not formatting in here properly, but let's see. Local. Hmm, register. All right, so fetch data. Interesting. Account is null. Reset. Much better. Perfect. All right, so what I wanted it to do is when you log in, it's going to render this form. Perfect. Look at that. All right, cool. So if I disconnect, it needs to update the state, but essentially that's what it will do. I'll update that. So then it should be instant. Changes our form. Okay, cool. Let's do let's do this. Let's just create a new one. Let's do test three. Test three. Okay. So test three. So now I need a place where I can get my whatever. It's fine. Response. Include status. No, I probably won't. Okay. So unfortunately, I need to fix that, but let's just test three. Okay. So we're gonna go to Cloudflare, and I don't really want to show all this on my camera, but let's add an entry for test3.rena.com. Yeah. Okay, and then we need a text record, and this will be test three. And then there's that. Save test three. Okay. All right, so we want to cool. First one, that's like down here. So the ID is KK5. pact ID is this. And then I need ID. May or may not fail, I don't know. Well, I think it text record matches. So, all right. So let me see if I can show this. I don't really want, you know what? I really don't want to show all this stuff. But essentially, all I did was I added a text record to my domain, and I match up. So like, if I do test3 dot my domain name, my test record should be test3, and then I add this code to it. And once it does that, it does a couple of things to validate to say, so fetch pack data. So it's going to check. Why is it checking that I paid? I don't know. It's checking if I paid for some reason. And then this is our backend code. So we're signing with our key pair. If everything validates, we want to sign with our key pair. It's just like a server-side script. And this is actually from Cadena.js. This is what signs our command. And essentially what this is this is the transaction ID from here. So let's go look up the request key. So that's it. So that's this. So this is our pact ID, which is what we need to get from our pact database to know that there's an active registration. So we get that. We run through here. Log in. That's why you're seeing all this code up here. And then essentially this is going to go through send continuation. What runs first? Validate domain. All right, so this function. So we're pulling this IC. So this is just getting us our data from our record. All right, and domain name. And then we have this function that actually, do I have it in here? I can show it. Yeah. So all this is doing is this is resolving. This is a built-in Node.js. I think it's built-in DNS. And this is just doing a check on your text record on your domain to say, hey, is this status code in this text record? And this is going to return, it's either going to return that it is, or there's a code in here that says, yeah, so this is text register matches for test3.kidata.com. And so there should be a log in here that says text, yeah, right here, for test3. Not making any of this up. This is who paid. That's my wallet that was connected. This is the ID of my record. E6A, yeah. I think we'll see that up here. E6A, yep. So it all matches up. So this is basically just going to go through and say, okay, we looked at this text record. It passed. It passed validation. And then once it passes validation, we can go to the next step. So it looks like it did send us our text record, which, yeah, okay, so this is our actual text record, which it evaluates against. And then if it matches, we're going to send it to this continuation command, which is our pact command, essentially. And it's going to send us all the data we need. And from this data, we can say, okay, this is who created it, and this is the ID that we just fed it. And with that information, I have in our smart contract, I have it look up everything from a table because we store everything in a table when you initially register. And when you do that, you can go through, we definitely don't need something crazy like that. Yeah. So once it goes through all that, you have this scenario where now we write, let me grab, that was test 3. So I can show you right from the blockchain explorer. Let's see, where to go? Yes. Looking at the coin contract, so free.reg. And then we want to look up, get this. I think this is not what I want. I think I need the, oh, okay, it is. So this is just saying, this is our domain. It's verified. It's true. So this is good. That means we verified. This is the status we want. And so now I can say test3.kdenai.com, and I want to know what my KDA wallet is, which should be my K04. Look at that right there. So it worked live. I mean, that's it. That's the whole process to register. If you want to, I think there's a couple other things. So let's just grab this. My test should return. Okay, that's the one domain I actually have registered. This is important. This is very important. This is our record. So anybody can put this domain in here, but only one person can validate it. So you can't validate, like you can't steal somebody's domain. You can, endless people can put this value in here and they'll just never be able to pass validation. So because every time they generate a new status, and the person who owns the domain wouldn't put that in their text record unless they get hacked or something, which I can't help that. So was there another get that was useful? Get payment info, update, create ID. Yeah, try to make it simple. It's good to make things simple. I don't think this function is actually meant to work. Huh. Well, that's the whole thing in a nutshell. So now I just need to clean up this page. So now we need select domain. That should also go away when we have a connection. I gotta fix that. Okay, so what we need to do is, all right. So status verified. So if I wanted to, I could put this in. So you notice when I did my account lookup for domains, I have multiple in here, but they're not verified. So I don't let you write anything past the payment unless you're verified. It's just a simple control. Uh, I like to keep things simple. So registration form, select. Fetched data. And map. There we go. Okay, so these are all the ones I created. Let me confirm. Okay, yeah, yeah, that's better. That's much better. So if I'm register, I can go register. If I'm on register though, I want a way to view to go back and view. How do I want that to reflect? Hey, I'm feeling better. Still hard to like. Just want to stop for a second and check something. I have so many broken NFTs on mine. Cool. Just need to internet is struggling today. Okay, cool. It's working. Now it's fine. Nice. Okay, it's all working. So now, what do we need to do now? Hmm, wonder if I so get returns everything. And these are all the approved ones. Very taxing lookups. So get AC is only approved. Return the domains an account owns. Guess we only write them. Yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. We'll have to and I'm using 2 timestamp. Just want to clean some of these up. Insert reg at ID. I don't mind that. I think I might actually though add the chain ID in here. I don't know. I'm mostly happy with this. I just gotta go through now and clean up a couple of these things. Yeah. Re-importing it, I know. What's unhappy in here? Nothing. Client connect. Web3 modal. So when I connect, show connect wallet modal. All right, so I need to go, where's connect wallet at? Use wallet store. Wallet store. is connected. So let's see. Too much open. Where do I need this? Okay, when we disconnect, that's what's we're going to do. Client context, this is for wall connect. All right, so I need this wall connect store. What level is this wall store? So it is in providers. Okay, so set. Is connected. Show connect. Wallet connect store. That makes sense. Let's see. Console log. Did we connect yet? Boom. Much better. Much better. Okay. So let's go find where that is now. So connect, wallet connect. Connect with provider. Set hide. Let's log connect with provider if provider does not equal, oh, no. Boom. Cool. All right, so we got that logic done. Let me just test one more. It's a beauty. Does koala work? Koala. Do the fudge, man. Too much security. Too much security. Can we go to testnet? Come on, guys. How? Look at all those pretty little icons now. Preferences. Suppose. Okay. Well, I can't test it, but picked it up. I bet it'll work. Zelcore. Yeah. I have no time for that. But Echo works and Vault Connect works, and I can't test everything on testnet, but it seems to be happy. Let's registration form. Let's do this. No. Register blockchain name. What is two? So it must be before this. Yep. There we go. Okay, it's pretty good. So I want to add a H1 wallet. Okay. Uh, Class name equals. You know what? I'm gonna just do it here. Tailwind CSS fonts. I don't use this a lot, so I want to. So font large. Class name. Oh, text XL. Mucho better. Well, registration. Fonts. Let's go with font semi-bold. Too much. Font medium. Oh yeah, that doesn't help me. I think I like mono the most. Font dash mono. I should probably make sure all my fonts are. Looks terrible. All right, let's just get rid of that for now. All right, so withdraw. Let's add the function for withdraw. So first we'd have to first. Okay. Oh, what inputs do we need for that? So I need to get the transaction ID. Oh, that's gonna be fun. So inputs, I do need a count. I need ID. Oh, I need the ID. I need the account. I need the amount. And I need the pact underscore ID. Not how I like coding anything. All right. So we'll get all those from our form. Pact ID is going to be tricky without access to pulling that data. That would be very difficult. Let me grab something. Counts. Withdraw. Withdraw NFT. Okay. Do I have this up here already? For now, let's just build it. Okay. So I need a continuation. Step 0. Do I need this? Read message ID. Okay, so I need that. So const pact UV data equals ID is ID. So it's going to read up from there. So pact ID, we're going to have to get that somehow. And then free.reg withdraw. And I need ID count E pact ID. Fee is not defined. So const fee equals all right, so initiate those. Count Account ID, XID, fee, client session. And then we need a catch block. Cool. Okay. And for now, I could just simulate fee const fee. This data object should have it in there though. Blockchain data paid 10. Yeah, okay. What are you unhappy about now? That's where I'm importing it from. Oh, someone's not happy. Did I not close something? Oh, I didn't close this. That's why. Okay. All right. What's it? Not doing anything, huh? Button. Let's see. But it does. But it does. You know what? Withdrawal. Support counts. Handle withdrawal. Okay, that's better. Perfect. Let's just law has a lot of them. So if I have data, let's set that as a value in a second. But for now, const pact. It's gonna error on this, but that's okay. I just want to see how far it'll let me go. Chain ID. Okay. Don't I have this coming in? I don't like this. Network IDs. Okay. So now, once we create a transaction, I think we could just take this whole section. Yeah. Okay, so perfect. Okay, doke. Let's set all this up here. Get there in a second. All right. Perfect. Okay, so undefined. Cider key. So I don't think that's how I have it in here, though. Okay. No problem here. I am sorry, I'm very, very tired today. Okay. Okay, center key is good. So what's undefined? Signers is in there. Withdraw. I wonder if it's because my cap's wrong. And I know my cap's wrong, but it's not that. Pact. Undefined. It's not valid JSON. Makes sense. So we're failing transaction client session. Data. But my register command works. Okay. Pact ID, pact proof. Tab. Pretty sure it's proof null, rollback false. Oh, okay. That makes sense. Undefined reading data. I wonder if I need the. Let's just do a new one. Registering domain. Cancel me.com. Let's see, is it done? They're pretty quick on testing it, yeah. Okay, so we know. UI, okay, so that's our pact ID. All right, and this was cancel me. Cancel me. Put some random spot. In no particular order. It's probably gonna be the last one I look at. Yep, of course. Why not? All right. Okay, so I'm still not happy with that. Let's see why. Two on sender. Account. ID fee. You know what? Let's do decimal. ID account. I don't see anything in here. I don't need my key set in here. It's just that cap to satisfy. Withdraw. ID. Count. Payment amount. Pack ID. Free.reg. Withdraw. Okay, let's just make sure providers being extracted properly. ID account, pact ID, it's all right. Creating a transaction. Step 0 for rollback. Rollback is true. Data is there. Pact ID is there. Proof is null. Step 0. Continuation. Signer. Metadata. What is it unhappy about in here? That Sanders is being filled out. Reading data. Is it making it here? Signing command. Did we? It's not making it down here. ID. Yep. Act ID. All looks fine to me. So sender. My cat over there. Should be fine. How do I do this on my other one? Can you do anything different? ID. Pact ID. Step. Proof null. Rollback is true on this. Is there anything wrong with data? For reals? I would have expected this to give me some kind of error. Six. So the structure of the command is good. What are you guys doing to me? Const WC. Okay. Finder, export, payload. Ah, I see. Okay. So this is I see what's happening now. So this is like a quick sign cont. Yeah, quick sign cont. Yeah, so this is gonna be payload dot count dot data. Oh, you bugger. Where is the structure of this? Payload. Payload, cont. Mm, interesting. Okay. Payload. Payload. Exec. Data. Okay, so I was reading from that. Can add it back and try. Da-da. Draw. Yeah, key set. So then this would be uh, payload count.data. Hmm. Okay. We're almost there, I think. And exec data. KS. Oh, I'm missing keys. Okay. So this is pact, count, data, KS keys. All right, let's see if this does it. Oh, there we go. Oh no. Free.reg. Escrow. Interesting. Why would I not have that? Free.reg.withdraw. Withdraw. Where release funds. Okay. Withdraw. Pay decimal get payment amount. ID. String with capability withdraw. ID. Create the pay effect ID. Withdraw. ID. Okay. So release withdraw. Stash with. One more time. One more time. All right. With capability. withdraw the ID, the creator, payment amount, and the pact ID. Let's go withdraw ID, count amount. Uh, let's try updating our contract with a simple little tweak. Upgrade true. Definitions. Ah, mucho better. Let's see if that clears it up. Lots of people message me. Oh, come on. All right, let's Boom. Okay. Cool. I had the wrong value in there. I don't even know how I missed that. Look at that. Should have just transferred. There should be a transfer event in here from our escrow to here for 10KD. Boom. All right. So withdraw works. I just gotta tie it back to the the pact ID. It's gonna be tricky, but it's okay. So this status, when this is done, should have a different status. Let's confirm that actually before I get off here. Might as well just make sure it works. And it's done already. All right, so cancel me. Just go fresh. Cancel me. Status. Registration withdrawn. So now what happens if we try this again? It should fail. Da, da, da. Interesting. Failure. Okay. Can't do it a second time. I don't know if that's intended, but I think we're going to leave it like that for now because makes sense. All right. Let me update a couple things here. Just update just. Okay. I think I'm going to stop for now. I'm happy with this. Just some cleanup, and now we know you can see statuses. Update settings. I need to add that. That's just so that you can update your wallet. Refresh. Interesting. We're not connected. Okay. Verified. True. Okay. And this one should fail now. No, tomorrow it'll fail. So update settings and then withdraw. Okay. See what happens if we try it a second time. Should give us an error. Pact already completed. Cool. Easy peasy. I'm going to stop for now. I see a couple of people join. Thank you for joining. Sorry, it's like troubleshooting for me lately, so it's troubleshooting and small tweaks here. They're less exciting, but still necessary. So appreciate everybody sticking with, and probably be back on again tomorrow. Thanks and have a. Ooh, my hand went away. Thanks and have a good day.